So now we want to see a live demo. I have here a pen which is marking invisible ink, and I have two parts, and I want to distinguish these parts if they are marked with UV ink or not. So I make one marking on one part, and we cannot see the marking, but if I place this part which is marked below the visor, we see here clearly this dot from the UV ink compared to the other part. So now I can create a blob detector, for example, and I choose my color channel binarization. I go here on the pipette and I mark my UV ink, and now the only thing we see in the image is our dot with the UV ink. Any other parts are suppressed, and we can see easily if it's our marked part or not. So this part is not marked with the dot, and here we see this is the part which we have marked with the dot. So now we want to show another common application. I have here two parts. One part is marked with a glue and the other not. And the difficulty here is the glue is white and the background is white. So as we know from image processing, it's always difficult to detect white parts on a white background. But we have the good situation that this glue is fluorescent. So if we place this part with the glue below the visor UV and we place the other part without the glue beside this part, we see a clear difference. So this fluorescence is helping us to distinguish if the glue is present or not. Again, we use a blob detector to detect this. Same principle as before. We use our binarization to find out where the glue is. We have to correct here our thresholds a little bit. And so now we see here clearly our glue separated from the background. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Visit us again. Bye.